Hey, guys, welcome to the Consultant Mindset. Many people live life blaming others. They blame others for those things which they aren't able to do themselves. They complain that we aren't able to do a certain task due to other people. They always play blame games and condemn others for their awful actions. For example, people who live a default life have this mindset that if they lose a job then it is due to official circumstances. If a certain project isn't assigned to them then they will target the boss or other people. Students who are unable to secure good marks in exams blame teachers for not assigning them enough grades. They never admit their mistakes. This attitude is a default. On the other hand, some other people design their lives. They design their lives the way they want. They always follow the aim and goal that has the power to bring changes in their lives. They achieve what they decide. Their heads are always clear and their thoughts are always directed. They have this mindset that if something isn't attainable for them then it's solely their fault. Instead of blaming others, they work on themselves. Which category do you belong to? Have you ever tried evaluating yourself? Let me know in the comments section. Let's just find some ways to combat such problems. How can you improve your way of life? Are you tired of this default behavior? Let's find out. Write down your chief aim. I've been advising you guys from many videos that writing journals help clear minds and thoughts. According to some research done, it is quite clear that writing things brings clarity to your mind. When you have clarified your thoughts, you can achieve your dreams. Writing aim down narrows your focus and makes you formidable enough to get it. The strategy of writing down your aim has been developed by Napoleon. He used to practice it. Writing aims down and reading out loud to say to himself every day and night. The purpose of repeating aim is to instill it into your subconscious. In this way, it will become saved in your subconscious. Memories saved in the subconscious aren't easier to forget. Be selective about your company. A man is known by the company he keeps. It is quite evident that the company of a friend has a major impact on a person's personality. If you have a default personality then there are chances that you're more likely to be with those people who have a default mindset. A mindset attracts another mindset. Likewise, if you're a designer mindset you're going to attract people with a constructive mindset. It is entirely dependent on who you want to place in your life. For example, if you are placing lazy and procrastinators in your life then there are chances that you will develop their habits as well. The people are a reflection of your personality. It's necessary to surround yourself with those people who are at your level or a level ahead of you. In this way, those people will help you grow as well. Don't be afraid to go your way. This is the hardest part. Following your discipline and going your own way is the hardest part. Regardless of the useless opinions of people you've to pave the way through it. If you want to design a life of your choice then you have to let go of people and their opinions. Avoiding their opinions and concerns will ultimately be your success. In life, we face some critics and some support. That small part of the criticism is enough to make us fall. People having strong mindsets are unlikely to get into this trap. Whenever you try to design your pathways people will let you down. That's why it is highly recommended to stay away from such critics. Either you stay away from them or don't give a shit about them. Make habits. Habits are necessary to live a disciplined life. And discipline is essential to achieve your dreams. People who follow a rhythm in their lives are less likely to counter any failure. Whereas people who live a random life are more exposed to failures. Making a habit isn't just about being disciplined. It assists in making commitments as well. Once you're committed to a particular goal none can move you. Practicing daily life activities eventually becomes your habit. And discipline starts to become instilled in your life. Learn to design your life. Practice discipline. If you want to improve your life then you have to say more no than yes in your life. You have to be obsessively true to yourself so you can accomplish your missions. An extreme sense of self-awareness is required to become successful. These tips are surely going to help in improving your life. Stay tuned for more informative videos.